Howdy and welcome to another video edition of Remedyland. Today I want to talk to you about dental bonding and veneers. Tooth treatment options such as dental bonding or veneers are not just used to repair cavities or perhaps damaged teeth, but nevertheless could also be used to boost the appearance of healthful teeth. Veneers are put on the whole front exterior of the tooth. At the same time, dental bonding is put on a small part of the tooth. Dental bonding and veneers make your teeth appear more desirable by modifying their shade, structure, position, or perhaps gaping. Your dental surgeon can easily repair teeth which are damaged, chipped or broken, that have gaps between them, or perhaps which are discolored. Cosmetic dental treatment can easily enhance your smile and also provide you with a lot more self-confidence. The elimination of any genuine tooth construction is irreversible. Therefore, cosmetic dentists today choose to propose patients the most minimally intrusive solutions initially. In case your genuine teeth are functionally and also aesthetically acceptable, dental veneers might not be a suitable solution for you. Your dental surgeon probably will start with a smile evaluation to figure out what methods are required to accomplish the smile you are aiming for. Through this visit, your dental surgeon are going to look at your teeth to ensure dental veneers are suitable for you and also talk about what the treatment are going to involve as well as some of its downsides. Dentist additionally might take x-rays and perhaps create impressions of your oral cavity and teeth. Dentists initially suggest teeth whitening to individuals with slightly stained tooth enamel who would like a whiter and brighter smile, since it is the minimum intrusive cosmetic dentistry solution. In case crooked tooth or perhaps positioning problems are included, whitening additionally could be put together with orthodontic therapies. Your dental surgeon might perform dental bonding and veneer treatment, or perhaps dentist might introduce you to a prosthodontist. Prosthodontics is an area of expertise of dentistry that focuses on repairing and restoring natural teeth and also tissues with synthetic replacements. What is dental bonding or teeth bonding or tooth bonding? Bonding, additionally called bonded restoration, is a simple solution to make small repairs to teeth. Generally, a few teeth could be bonded in a single dental appointment. Dental bonding makes use of tooth-colored substance, known as composite resin. Composite resin is placed on the tooth, after that formed and then solidified with lighting. Dental bonding procedure. Small preparation is required for dental bonding. Anesthesia is oftentimes not required except if the dental bonding has been utilized to fill up a decayed tooth. Your dental surgeon are going to use a color manual to choose a composite resin shade which will very closely match up the shade of your tooth. The dental surgeon put a matrix between the tooth is gonna be remedied together with its neighboring tooth. A matrix is a slim, transparent plastic material film that shields other tooth from composite resin. The dental surgeon after that adds a chemical substance on the tooth to cause it to be a little bit abrasive. This will help the composite resin to connection or adhere to the teeth enamel of the tooth. The composite resin that is the same as the color of your genuine teeth is selected to ensure that the bonding integrates in with the teeth. The dental surgeon places the composite resin on the tooth in sheets. An illumination is employed to harden every coating of the composite resin. After the final coating of composite resin is solidified, your dental surgeon forms and also polishes it to create new tooth. The completed tooth appears genuine and silky. At the next dental care visit, your dental surgeon are going to look at the connection and polish it if required. With time, the bonding might wear out and your dental surgeon might patch up the bonding with additional composite resin. Dental bonding requires approximately 30 to 60 minutes per tooth to carry it out. An additional weakness is the fact that the bonding materials will not endure as long and healthy as some other restorative treatments, for example crowns, veneers or perhaps dental fillings. Furthermore, connecting components could chip and split off the tooth. The composite resin used in bonding isn't closely as powerful as a genuine tooth. Chewing your fingernails or perhaps biting on ice or maybe pens could break the tooth. Dental bonding generally is going to last a few years before it must be restored. How much time it really lasts varies according to the amount of bonding was carried out as well as your oral habits. Due to a few of the boundaries of dental bonding, certain dentists see it as ideal for little cosmetic modifications, for short-term adjustment of cosmetic problems and also for adjustment of teeth in regions of really low bite tension, for instance, front teeth. Talk to your dental surgeon regarding the ideal cosmetic strategy for your specific issue. Bonded teeth never demand special care. Basically, carry out sound oral hygiene habits. Brush teeth no less than 2 times per day, floss at least 1 time per day, and also visit your dental surgeon for usual expert checkups and also cleanings. Since bonding material could chip, you will need to stay away from such behaviors like nipping, nibbling on pens, ice, or perhaps some other hard food items, or making use of your bonded teeth like an opener. In case you do observe any specific sharpened edges on a bonded tooth, or if perhaps your tooth starts to feel strange whenever you chew, contact your dental office. The life duration of bonding components for the teeth is determined by the amount of bonding was undertaken as well as your oral behavior. Costs of dental bonding range according to your particular dental situations, quantity of teeth that require cosmetic restoration, extra treatments carried out in connection with dental bonding, along with the dental surgeon carrying out the procedure. Usually, dental bonding vary in price from $100 to $400 per tooth. Seek advice from your dental insurance provider to verify if the expense of dental bonding could be completely or to some extent covered by insurance. What are veneers? Porcelain veneers are the fast repair path to an ideal Hollywood smile. They'll blend over your teeth similar to false fingernails, camouflaging all kinds of defects and providing your oral cavity the equivalent of a facelift. Even though dental veneers belong to the group of cosmetic dentistry since they produce brilliant, white-colored smiles with wonderfully inline, shapely teeth, additionally they preserve the exterior of affected teeth and might remove the requirement for more substantial treatment options. Additional advantages of veneers incorporate resilience, a better smile look. Veneers are extremely slim shells which are connected to the front section of teeth. They are usually manufactured from porcelain or perhaps composite resin. Porcelain veneers are more robust compared to composite resin veneers and also will not change shade or even stain. Typically, porcelain veneers require a minimum of 2 dental appointments to apply, and composite resin veneers can be achieved in a single appointment. Porcelain veneers usually last for a longer time compared to composite resin veneers. Veneers are an outstanding substitute for dental crowns in lots of conditions. They offer a considerably more traditional method to modifying a tooth's shade, dimensions or structure. Veneers are able to cover up unwanted imperfections, for example teeth discolored by tetracycline and also injured because of a trauma or perhaps because of a tooth root canal treatment. They are surely perfect for covering stained fillings in front teeth. Individuals with spaces between their front teeth or perhaps teeth which are chipped or damaged might consider dental veneers. Usually, veneers last for several years and the method has demonstrated amazing long life if it is correctly done. How composite resin veneers are done. Composite bonding or simply bonding, which represents direct composite veneers, is a cheap, productive and minimally intrusive solution to recover and fix little chips, fractures and staining in the teeth. Similar to dental bonding, your dental surgeon places a chemical substance on the front exterior of the tooth to be veneered to cause it to be a little abrasive. This will help the composite resin to adhere to the teeth enamel. The composite resin that matches up the shade of your genuine teeth is selected to ensure that the veneer integrates in with your current teeth. How porcelain veneers are done. Porcelain dental veneers are usually more suitable options for serious situations concerning dullness, deterioration, staining, substantial chipping, cracking, gaping or unequal teeth. With porcelain veneers, your dental surgeon could give you a local anesthetic. The dental office after that takes away a slim layer of the enamel from the teeth to create space for the veneers. After that, your dental surgeon creates a mold of the teeth. This mold is employed to customize your porcelain veneers. Meanwhile, your dental surgeon could set short-term veneers to restore the part of the tooth which was eliminated. They are used until your porcelain veneers are prepared. The temporary veneers are extremely sensitive and need to be handled delicately throughout consuming and cleaning since they come loose extremely easily. The bond between genuine tooth and porcelain veneer is crucial because it not just provides the aesthetic excellence wanted, but additionally a powerful bond that could be important for proper veneer functionality. Because veneers are separately sculpted for every individual, it will be very difficult to see the distinction between a veneer and a genuine tooth. In contrast to natural teeth, customized veneers protect against coffee and also herbal tea stains since they are manufactured from cutting-edge components. Since a segment of the original tooth enamel is decreased, a veneer is not viewed as a reversible treatment method. Even though changes and possibly new veneers can be created, you cannot truly go back to the initial shape of the tooth. Veneers are not the right choice for people with bad teeth. For instance, individuals with tooth decay or periodontal condition, weak teeth because of tooth decay, fracture, massive dental fillings, or perhaps for the people that have an insufficient quantity of existing teeth enamel on the tooth exterior. People who clench and grind their teeth are bad applicants for porcelain veneers, because these routines may cause the veneers to break or split. For approximately a week or two, you are going to go throughout a time of adjustment when you get accustomed to your new teeth which have transformed in dimensions and structure. After a few weeks, your dental surgeon are going to ask you to come back for a follow-up visit. After the porcelain veneers are connected, you can expect to have certain tenderness to hot and cold because of the elimination of that slim coating of teeth enamel. This frequently vanishes within a short time. In a healthy oral cavity correctly addressed with porcelain veneers and in which damaging factors are reduced or avoided, a patient will be able to make use of porcelain veneers similar to his own teeth. Even though they're very tough, veneers are likewise brittle. You must stay away from the same extreme tensions. Dental care has to be implemented not to harm veneers since the slim porcelain shells or perhaps composite layers could be broken or crack. Your dental surgeon could recommend against specific uses or nutritional behavior, for example consuming carrots, and also might suggest you to put on a shielding equipment on teeth while sleeping, particularly if you happen to be a bruxer. Looking after porcelain veneers is really fairly simple. Deal with them just like you would your genuine teeth, with regular brushing and flossing. Making use of non-abrasive fluoride toothpaste are going to be recommended by your dentist. A week after dental veneers are set, you may be expected to go back to the dental office for a follow-up appointment and assessment so the dental surgeon is able to see in what way your oral cavity is reacting to the veneers. Despite the fact that you think the veneers are successful, this visit is essential to your upcoming oral health. It's also wise to go back to your dental office for typical professional care since porcelain veneers must be polished with a uniquely developed, non-abrasive gel, and also for the reason that your dental surgeon has to examine your dentistry for virtually any signal of possible breakdown. How much do veneers cost? The veneers cost may differ from dentist to dentist, therefore it is vital that you talk about costs and therapy choices with your dental surgeon prior to starting therapy. The cost of veneers is not usually claimable from insurance. To be sure, seek advice from your personal dental insurance provider. How long do veneers last? Veneers will last a long period of time, however they could chip or perhaps crack, just like your own teeth could. Your dental surgeon are going to let you know the length of time each and every individual veneer need to endure. Little chips might be fixed or perhaps a new veneer mounted if required. Veneers are realistic facsimiles of natural teeth, not flawless substitutes. It's not unusual to notice small differences in the shade of veneers upon close-up examination, because this happens also in natural teeth. However, this technique are able to boost your smile that will increase self-confidence. I hope you've enjoyed this video edition. We'll see you again on another video edition of Remedyland. Take care.